Hey guys, so I wanted to do a brief overview of the CELF-5 flow of administering the test. It is a lot of information to put into a PowerPoint, so I thought it would just be really helpful if I could just make a short video for everyone and just kind of lay out the flow and be able to show you the actual materials that we're discussing. So first, it's crucial that you do your work beforehand as a clinician and understanding where all of the subtest components and administration information is within the examiner's manual, because you will need to go back and forth on these the entire time you're giving this evaluation. And if you aren't prepared in understanding where all of the administration directions are, you're going to be flipping back and forth. It's going to be time consuming, and it's going to be unprofessional in how we present ourselves to the client, but also not a great use of the client's time if they're being pulled from class to be given this evaluation and we're spending 20 extra minutes looking through. So this book, you can see, has all of the sticky notes of where the administration instructions are, so you can actually just flip right to the next one and just keep doing so for all of the tests. So the one that I'll go over an example is the linguistic concept. So this is what the manual will look like, and it will have all of the start points, reversal rules, repetitions, and discontinue rules. I know this is backwards, but just to see the flow. And it's going to have your specific administration directions for the demonstration, the trials, and the rest of the test. It has the exact prompt that you need to give the client, that you need to stick to throughout to keep this a valid test that you're giving them. But exactly if you can give a repetition, what warrants a repetition, and then the recording and the scoring, the response key, and the overall scoring of the test after it's been administered. So this is going to be the record form that you're going to do simultaneously. You'll have both of these out on the table or on your clipboard so that the client can't see, but you will have some of the same information, so the start point, the reversal rule, the repetitions, and the discontinue rule, and a condensed version of just the demo examples, but not the instructions. And then these are going to be all of the questions, and this is really important for your intervention. So while you have these on your clipboard, you're also going to have the stimulus book, and the stimulus book has little tabs that you will tab through, so linguistic concepts, and it has the little concepts there, and you will continue to flip as you administer the test. The thing that you really want to be prepared with the stimulus books is that on opposite sides are different tests. So you want to know, this is this book that I'll be using during this portion, and then have a mental map of where the other tests are that you'll be administering, so you're not wasting time also flipping through or getting confused and giving them the wrong prompts because the formulating sentences is on the back of the linguistic concepts and you didn't realize. So that's just a brief overview. There's obviously a lot in this test, but I hope it was helpful. Thanks, guys.